Hello class, my name is Rafael Gasca Diaz. My topic is web image size and compression. Images represent the majority of bytes of download in a web page and also occupy a considerable proportion in the visual space of this one. As a result, images optimization can often be one of the most effective means of saving byte performance and improvement your website, the fewer bytes the browser needs to download, the lower demand for the client bandwidth, and the faster browser can download and display useful content on the screen. So image optimization is an art and science because there is no definitive answer as to what is the best ways to compress an individual image as science because there are a lot of well-developed techniques and algorithms that can greatly reduce size and image. To find the optimal configuration for your images require careful analysis in many dimensions, formatting capabilities, encode data content, quality, pixel dimension, and more. I have one example. For this is Optimizilla. You can use online image optimizers. Used as a smart combination for best optimization. Lossy compression algorithms to shrink JPEG and PNG images. I download these images and I can give the best quality for my image and apply. Okay. If you prefer use this optimization, you can do it, but you can make use another tools like Photoshop and experiment on another ways to optimization images for web. We have a three option to optimizing our images for web images size compression because it's important for everyone whether are you building a small business website for the first time or you were designer. For example, delete unnecessary images resource, take advantage of CSS3 effective when as possible, use web fonts instead of encoding text image. That's one. Here I use three different fonts. The fonts allows you to use beautiful fonts and at the same time retain the ability to select search and modify type size, a considerable improvement in usability. Okay, vector images. Here is another example when we have a extended vector image is nice and better than enlarged frame image. We can see the pixels here. We must distinguish different types of pixel, like this example. The individual CSS pixel might directly correspond to a single device pixel or be backed up by several these pixels. What is the meaning? The more device pixels you have, the greater detail of content displayed on the screen. We have three examples with three different dimensions. Okay. The screen resolution, we have these values, total pixels, and uncompressed file. The size is bigger. Okay. Okay. Frame images are grid pixel. Each pixel encodes information about color and transparency. Image compression uses different techniques to reduce the amount of bits required per pixel in order to reduce the size of the image's file. Okay, for example, an image 100 plus 100 pixels is composed of 10,000 pixels, and subsequently we have this example. For clarity, regardless the image format used to transfer the data from the server to client, when the browser decodes the image, each pixel always occupies 4 bytes of memory. This can be a major limitation for large images and devices that do not have much memory available, for example, low-end mobile devices. We have to be careful with the imaging. We need to check the dimension and pixels and file size. Okay. A simple strategy to reduce the bit depth of the image from 8 bits per channel to smaller color palette. 8 bits per channel give us 256 values per channel and a lot of colors in total. Okay, this is the worst image because have a lot of pixels, and this is the best images. The compression of the images without loss. Types of compression algorithms. We have this example before and after. We can use fewer bits to encode some colors. Consequently, a typical image optimization pipeline consists in two very important steps. The image is processed with a lossy filter that removes part of the pixel data. The image is processed with a lossless filter that compresses pixel data. The first step is optional, and the exact algorithm will depend on the specific image format. But it is important to understand that any image can traverse a lossy compression stage to reduce its size. In fact, the difference between different image formats, such as GIF, PNG, and JPEG, among others, in combination of specific algorithms that use or omit when applying lossy and lossless steps. This is before and after. Okay. You need to find the optimal configuration for your images. If you want to use another tools like Adobe Photoshop, which is generally a number between 1 and 1,100, sorry, which internal operation of a specific set of lossy and lossless. Remember, when you save a web, you can play with the quality, and optimize it. High JPEG. for your images. Okay, usually very good at reducing the file size and very important. Compression, this is a feature set for specific browser support formats. This is the formats and works with compression, lossless, losses, transparency, animation. And we have this feature. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and see you.